Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to save a file in Audacity and how to export a file from Audacity. So first of all, open Audacity app. Click OK and then drag your audio file there. And now you can see the audio file is in Audacity timeline. So for example, I wanna add a effect in that audio. So press Ctrl+S, select all the audio and go to the effect and select EQ and filters, graphic EQ and click apply. So I have added graphic EQ in my audio. So now we need to save that project in Audacity. So go to the file, save project, click on save project, select save to the computer, or you can also save to the cloud, but we need to save to the computer. And then type any name. For example, I will save it as graphic EQ Audacity file, and now it is saved. So after saving that file, now I need to export that file. So go to the file, select export audio and export to the computer, and then you can change the name of the file from there, and you can also change the format from there. So I need to save it as MP3. So select MP3 from format and go to the export and click export. And here you can see your audio is exported on the desktop.
Is it too late? Isn't YouTube oversaturated?